going on YouTube? Welcome to the video. Today I'm going to give you what you want, which is a rollercoin.com bot that is extremely easy to use. It bypasses the verification and it acts like a human. So let's just jump straight into this. First things first, you want to go into the link in the description and register yourself an account for rollercoin.com via the link below. Next, what you want to do is you want to go download the bot files, which will be in the description. Just click the link, download the files, extract them to your desktop or place of your liking. Once you've done that, open the folder and it will look something like this. To run the bot, all you got to do is have rollercoin.com in the background. Make sure it's the first tab and that you're on the games page and you're logged in. Once you're done that, you can open up the rollercoingame.exe file. It will open a bat file which looks like this. What you want to do is you want to select A and then say if you use Adblock or not. I use Adblock, so I'll say yes. And then, very simple, run the code, which is B. Now it will look for that first tab and it will look that you're in the game tab and it will start running instantly. I know that it plays two game modes. It plays this game mode and then it plays the one other coin game mode. So it chooses between two different game modes and acts like a human. I'm just going to keep this running in the background so that you can see the spot is fully functional and is automated all by itself. And then it will take me back to the menu and start a new game. Just like that, it's looking for a new game, and there we go, it started. The automation on this bot is absolutely insane. So, head down to the description, download the bot, register yourself an account, and start earning Bitcoin today. It's that easy. Hopefully you enjoyed the video. Please let me know if the bot does work. It would be much appreciated. And yeah, thanks for watching again. Have a good day.